Hello everyone, and welcome back to Practice Speaking English. Today, we're diving into one of the most useful and interesting tenses in English, the present perfect.
That's right. We use the present perfect to talk about things we've done so far, experiences we've had, and changes that have happened up to now.
Exactly. It's perfect for conversations about your life and experiences. So, stay with us, repeat after us, and practice speaking English naturally.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice every week.
Hey Ryan, how have you been lately?
I've been great, thanks. How about you?
I've been busy, but I've also been enjoying life more these days.
That's good to hear. Have you done anything exciting recently?
Yes, I've just come back from a short trip to Italy.
Wow, that sounds amazing. How long have you been there?
I've been there for about a week. It was beautiful.
I've been there for about a week. It was beautiful.
I visited Rome, Florence, and Venice.
That's fantastic. Have you taken lots of photos?
Oh yes, I've taken hundreds of pictures.
I bet they look stunning.
They do. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Not recently, but I've been to Japan twice before.
Oh, nice. I've never been to Japan.
You should go. The culture and food are incredible.
I've heard that. Have you tried sushi there?
Of course, I've eaten sushi in Tokyo, and it's the best I've ever had.
That sounds delicious. I've eaten sushi here, but it's probably not the same.
Definitely not. Once you've tried it in Japan, you'll know the difference.
Haha, I can imagine. So, have you learned any Japanese phrases?
Yes, I've learned a few. I've been studying Japanese for about 6 months.
That's awesome. Have you found it difficult?
Yes, I've found it challenging, but also very rewarding.
I've studied Spanish before, but I've forgotten a lot of it.
That happens. I've lost some of my French vocabulary too.
Languages need constant practice, right?
Exactly. I've realized that you have to use it daily.
So true. Have you met any native speakers to practice with?
Yes, I've met a few through online classes.
That's great. I've tried language apps, but I've never joined an online class.
You should. I've improved a lot since I started.
I'll try that. By the way, have you watched any good movies lately?
Yes, I've just watched Oppenheimer.
Oh, I've heard so many good things about that one.
You should watch it. It's one of the best films I've seen this year.
I've seen the trailer and it looks intense.
It really is. I've also watched Barbie recently. Totally different vibe.
I've watched Barbie too. I've loved it. It's so fun and colorful.
Yeah, it's surprising how deep the message is.
I've noticed that more movies are exploring creative themes these days.
True, and I've been going to the cinema more often this year.
Same here. I've missed that experience during the pandemic.
Me too. I haven't been to a packed theater in a long time.
I've also started reading more lately.
Really? What books have you read?
I just finished The Alchemist. Have you read it?
Yes, I have. I've read it twice, actually.
Oh wow, I've loved the message about following your dreams.
It's inspiring. I've learned something new each time I've read it.
That's the power of good books.
Absolutely.
Have you ever written anything yourself?
I've written a few short stories, but nothing serious.
That's still impressive. I've never written a story before.
You should try it. It's fun and creative.
Maybe I will. Have you ever thought about publishing them?
I have, but I've never actually done it.
Well, maybe that's your next goal.
Haha, maybe it is.
Have you started any new hobbies lately?
Yes, I've started painting.
Oh nice. I've painted a few times, but I'm not very good.
It doesn't matter. I've learned it's about expression, not perfection.
That's true. I've been trying photography as a hobby.
Oh, that's cool. Have you taken any good shots?
Yes, I've taken some great sunset photos recently.
Awesome. I've always admired good photography.
Have you ever entered a photo contest?
Not yet, but I've thought about it.
You should go for it. I've seen some local contests online.
I'll check them out.
By the way, have you tried any new restaurants recently?
Yes, I've tried a vegan restaurant last weekend.
Oh, how was it?
It was amazing. I've never tasted such flavorful dishes.
I've been curious about vegan food.
You should give it a try. I've been eating less meat lately.
Same. I've noticed I feel lighter when I do.
Exactly. It really makes a difference.
Have you been exercising regularly?
Yes, I've joined a gym recently.
That's great. How long have you been going?
I've been going for about 2 months now.
Nice. I've started doing yoga at home.
I've heard yoga is great for stress relief.
It really is. I've been feeling calmer since I started.
That's awesome.
Have you changed your daily routine much this year?
Yes, I've been waking up earlier and reading before work.
That's a great habit. I've tried that too, but I failed a few times.
Haha, it takes time. I've struggled at first too.
Have you kept a gratitude journal before?
No, but I've heard it's helpful. Have you?
Yes, I've been writing in one for a few months.
That's a wonderful habit.
It really helps me stay positive.
I'll give it a try.
So, let's talk grammar for a moment. What's the structure of the present perfect?
It's simple. Have has plus past participle.
Exactly. Like, I have eaten, she has gone, or they have traveled.
Right?
And we use it to talk about experiences, not specific times.
For example, I visited Paris, not I visited Paris in 2019.
Perfect. We don't mention the exact time, just that it happened.
Exactly.
We also use it for things that started in the past and continue now.
Like I've lived here for 5 years.
Great example.
Thanks.
And we can use it for recent actions with just already or yet.
Like I've just eaten lunch, or I haven't finished my homework yet.
Perfect examples.
Thanks.
Have you ever taught English grammar before?
Actually, I've helped a few friends study it.
That's nice of you. I've helped my cousin with homework too.
Teaching helps you remember things better.
Have you ever met a famous person?
Yes, I've met a local singer at a concert.
Wow. I've never met anyone famous.
Maybe someday.
I've always wanted to meet a motivational speaker.
That would be inspiring.
Have you ever gone skydiving or bungee jumping?
No, I haven't. Have you?
Nope. I've never been that brave.
Haha, same here.
But I've gone hiking in the mountains.
That's awesome. I've done that too.
Nature is so calming, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Have you ever seen snow?
Yes, I've seen snow a few times.
Lucky. I've never seen real snow in my life.
You need to travel somewhere cold.
I've thought about that.
You'll love it when you do.
Have you ever tried skiing?
No, but I've always wanted to.
Same here. I've seen videos and it looks fun.
And dangerous.
Have you achieved any personal goals this year?
Yes, I've learned to cook better.
Nice. What dishes have you made?
I've made pasta, curry, and a few desserts.
That's impressive. I've burned more food than I've cooked.
Haha, I've done that before too.
Practice makes perfect.
Exactly.
Have you saved any money this year?
Yes, I've been saving for a trip.
That's smart. I've been saving for a new laptop.
Great plan.
Have you learned anything new about yourself recently?
Yes, I've realized I'm more patient than I thought.
That's a nice discovery.
Thanks.
I've realized I work better in the morning.
Same here.
Have you ever changed your career goals?
Yes, I've changed them a few times.
That's normal. I've changed mine too.
We're always growing and learning.
Have you kept in touch with your school friends?
Some of them, yes. I've met a few recently.
That's nice. I've lost contact with many.
That happens.
But I've reconnected with a few on social media.
Oh, nice.
It's great to catch up after years.
Definitely.
Have you ever attended a reunion?
No, not yet. Have you?
Yes, I have. It was so nostalgic.
Yes, I have. It was so nostalgic.
So, Ryan, what have we learned today?
We've learned how to use the present perfect to talk about life experiences and achievements.
Exactly. We've practiced using have and has with past participles.
And we've shared a lot of fun examples too.
Yes. So learners, now it's your turn. Tell us, what have you done so far this year?
Share your sentences in the comments below.
Practice makes perfect. And the present perfect helps you sound natural in English.
That's right.
Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep improving.
You've come a long way already.
Thanks for joining us today.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
And comment below using the present perfect. We'll read your sentences.
Great job, everyone.
See you next time, and keep practicing your English every day.
Thanks for watching. Keep practicing your English, and I'll see you in the next lesson.